Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and it's out with the old and in with the new. This is the Huawei P20 and P20 Plus, the Chinese manufacturer's latest flagship phones, and they look rather stunning. They both have a glossy reflective glass back that curves towards the edges, but the Pro has this incredible twilight color scheme that just looks amazing. Both are water and dust resistant to some degree too. There are perhaps two big talking points here. Now firstly, there's that iPhone X-like notch that sits on the top of the full view display, which if you want to, you can hide. Now both the displays have the same resolution, so that's 2244 by 1080. But the panels are different. The 5.8-inch P20 uses LCD, while the 6.1-inch P20 Pro has OLED for deeper blacks and richer colours. Now the second big talking point is that triple camera system on the Pro. It has a 40-megapixel colour sensor, a 20-megapixel monochrome camera, and the 8-megapixel telephoto lens. That means you can get up to 5 times hybrid zoom, and there's an AI feature that automatically understands what it's looking at and adjusts the shooting mode to match. The regular model has a dual 12-megapixel and 20-megapixel setup, and both have a 24-megapixel front-facing camera. Inside, you'll find a Kirin 970 processor and either 4GB or 6GB of RAM, depending on whether you go with the Pro or the regular model. There's also 128GB of storage, which sadly this year you can't expand. You also can't use a wired pair of headphones either, the 3.5mm jack is gone. But you can supercharge the 3400 mAh battery on the regular model or 4000 mAh battery on the Pro. Of course, they both run EMUI on top of Android Oreo. We'll bring you more on these in the near future. They'll be coming out soon. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter, you can follow me there. I'll see you again soon.